Hi, I'm Abbas. We are living in the age of generative AI, but putting an LLM in production is dangerous. Companies are terrified of prompt injection, where hackers trick chatbots into revealing secrets, and jailbreaks, where safety guardrails are bypassed. Traditional firewalls don't work here because they look for keywords. They don't understand context. A novelist researching how to kill a process in Linux looks just like a hacker trying to kill a server. That's why I built SentinelShield.AI, also known as PromptGuard. It is a military-grade real-time LLM firewall that uses a hybrid math plus AI architecture to secure your applications. Most firewalls are either too dumb or too slow. Sentinel Shield uses a defense-in-depth strategy with three unique layers. Layer 1 is speed. We use vector embeddings and an isolation forest algorithm to mathematically map the user's input. If it's gibberish or a statistical anomaly, we block it instantly without wasting API credits. Layer 2 is intelligence. We use a Gemini 2.5 Flash agent to analyze the semantic intent. It detects social engineering and complex jailbreaks. Layer 3 is the innovation. We built a context-aware override system. If the math layer gets confused by a safe but complex prompt, the AI layer steps in, reviews the context, and overrides the block. Zero false positives. Let's see it in action. First, a noise attack. I'll type random gibberish. The system blocks this immediately as a semantic anomaly. The Gemini LLM was never even called. This saves tokens and latency. Now, a real attack. This is a classic prompt injection trying to execute SQL commands. Sentinel Shield analyzes the intent, recognizes the destructive command, and severs the connection. The malicious payload never reaches the core LLM. Of course, normal traffic flows smoothly. The request is verified, sent to Gemini, and the response is displayed in real time. Now here is where we beat the competition. A standard regex firewall would see the word cybersecurity or firewall and block this. But watch the yellow alert. The anomaly detector flagged this as suspicious because it's rare. But our logic engine analyzed the context, writing a novel, and triggered an anomaly override. The user gets their answer, but the security team gets a log of the event. Safety without friction. Finally, for the Security Operations Center, we provide a real-time forensics dashboard. This scatter plot visualizes the semantic vector space of your traffic. You can see exactly where the attacks, red dots, sit mathematically compared to normal conversation, green dots. Sentinel Shield isn't just a wrapper. It's an intelligent, adaptive defense layer for the next generation of AI applications. Thank you.